Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in previous video, we know that how to use this keyword for the instance variable, as well as this keyword we can also use it for the class method or method, and this keyword can be also used for the constructor. Okay, we know what is a constructor and everything. We already completed constructor class. Okay, so you have to watch that video. So in this video, we are going to talk about how to use this keyword for the constructor. Okay, so let us see in detail information, right? See, this keyword we can also use it for the constructor. So that means this is a constructor. So constructor means parenthesis can be used to invoke means to call current class constructor. So how to do this? So let us understand with the example. See, there is a class. And the class name is like A, and constructor is A, and I want to define system.out.println in double quotations. I'm writing A's class. Okay, so this is my constructor, and similarly I'm going to define one more constructor, that is A, and it has a parameter like X, and system.out.println in double quotations X equal to plus X. I want to print X value. So this is my subclass. Okay, and I want to define main class. See, I'm going to call main class test. You can define any class name. Public static void main string args, you have to write completely, otherwise automatically expected in the decoder. And I want to create object. For AOB equal to new of A, and I'm going to pass some value because there is a parameter. So that's it. So now this is the output. So the output is 5 value is passed to X. Okay, so this 5 value is passed to X. So X equal to 5. But what about this? We have to create one more object, right? So in place of creating one more object, I want to call this constructor here. Okay, so that means calls constructor into other constructor. So that is nothing but nested constructor. Okay, how to we have to perform this? Simple. So the topic is we have to use this, right? So just we have to place this. So how to do this? So let us see. So how to place this one? So to place this one, so just we have define this. So once we have to write that this, then what is expected output? So the expected output is, see, whenever we calling this information is passed to X, and this is there. When this is reading by the compiler, it is called A. What? A contains A's class. Now output is A's class, followed by next. What is the next line? The next line is, this is the next line. So X equal to 5. So this is our output of our program. So output is this is the output. So this keyword can be used for the constructor to calls or to invoke current class constructor. So I hope you understand what is this keyword and how to use this keyword for the constructor. Okay, so this is the topic of this keyword. So this keyword can be used for the variable, that is nothing but instance variable. This keyword we can also use it for the method, that is class method, and this keyword can be also used for the constructor. So this is the complete information about this keyword in Java language. Okay, if you have any questions, please mention in the comment box. Okay, I hope you understand how to use this keyword in Java language, right? Okay, so thank you for watching this video. Bye.